Hello everybody, this is Jamila Shields with the Newbie Marketer. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to go over a short tutorial on how to change your domain name to a new funnel with Clickfunnels. I had two funnels that I already created. One I was currently using with that domain name, and then I decided I wanted to keep the domain name but switch out the funnel to that domain name just to do a test to see which one works better, which one will bring more traffic and the such. So I'm going to go ahead and dive in, and I'm going to share my screen with you. Don't forget though to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more notifications. I will be bringing you guys. So we're going to go ahead and switch this screen. They are everywhere else. This is the screen we on, right? Share. All right. Let's close this out. Cancel. All right, here we go. I'm sorry about that. A little technical difficulty right there. So right now we're going to go to GoDaddy, which is where I have my domains. I'm already logged in. So I'm going to hit this little person icon right here. Hit the download, and I'm going to go to my products. So don't look at my ID now, y'all. Go to my products, and I'm going to choose which domain name I want to change. So this one right here. So you're going to see this is the one I'm going to change, the Easy Training Now. You're going to hit the DNS, that is the domain name server, and you want to go ahead and change that out. And while we're waiting on that to load, all right, here we go. It's coming. So right here, you don't have to change anything in here, up here. What you want to do is scroll down all the way to the bottom. I went too far. Okay, so you're going to scroll down, remove myself out the way here. And you see this little pencil over here in the corner. You're going to click that pencil and you're going to edit. So you're going to edit this to whatever domain, whatever funnel you wanted to use this for. This is where when somebody clicks on that link, it will go to whatever you put in here. So I'm going to go over here to Clickfunnels where I have my funnels. And right here, I have the Easy One Up bonus page. I'm going to open them. I'm going to edit that real quick. And I'm going to show you where you're going to get the link to change, okay? It's a coming, y'all. It's a coming, y'all. All right, so right here, this is your first page of the funnel. This is the opt-in page number 1. You're going to want to go ahead and click the copy right here in the corner. And once it opens up, it's moving a little bit slow, but it's coming, y'all. Okay, once it opens up, you want to highlight up here. You want to highlight this area here. And everything but the HTTP. And you're going to copy, or if you don't hit right click copy, you can always hit Control V if you have a Windows computer. So I copy that. I'm sorry. Let me go back. I meant Control C. Control V is how you paste. So you want to go back and hit Control V Control C. I said it again, y'all. Control C. Let me go all the way back to my name. Right there. Come on, Mila. All right, so you're going to hit Control C, and I copied it, or you're going to right click and hit copy. Click copy. So you're going to go back to the domain manager, and when you go in here, you're going to see right here, you're going to go ahead and delete out the one that you had before, and you're going to just paste it, Control V or right click paste, and you're going to go ahead and paste it right in there and hit the save button. Me and my mouse. So now you saved it. And right here, all of this is the same. So, but if you want, you can click the little pencil again and just click save again, just so it'll say it uploaded on the same day. And for this one also, click save, and you're done. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and take that link. And what I want to do is we're going to open it up in the incognito window. Sometimes it's best to open an incognito window because Google recognizes everything that you do. So you open it up in the incognito window. You may be able to go ahead and open up your link. Okay, it don't want to do it for me right now, y'all. Let's go back. Let's just type in easy training now.com. And it still did it. All right, let's go back. See, let's try it again. Let's close this out. Let's go back. Does it really usually does work that way? But you want to go ahead and try and test it out. But if not, I still recommend the incognito window. I don't know why it was on that to me today, but you can scroll down here again. I scrolled too far again. Hit the little pencil and click on preview. You see right above my head is preview. And it will show you what it looks like, and you'll know that it has been already configured. And there it is. So you know that it's already configured and it's already changed over to the funnel that you want it to work. So we're going to work on the incognito window. It's been giving me trouble today anyway. I thought it would work for you guys, but it didn't work today. But you can test things out in the incognito window because Google, like I said, Google knows you, knows your history. Incognito, you're in there as someone else, and you will see how everything works well on there. So this was just a very quick tutorial on how to change your domain name to another funnel or add another funnel to your domain name. So first thing I did was we're going to go back. I went to Domains Manager. I hit DNS. Then I scrolled down to the bottom and I clicked on the one I wanted, added it in there, pasted it, and hit save. And there it is. That's just that easy. It doesn't have to be a ClickFunnels account, whatever account that you have that you want to attach to that domain name in GoDaddy. You can do it that way. It's just simple. Copy and paste the link into GoDaddy. Just remember, leave the HTTPS out and just copy from there on. And then just hit save, preview it, and there you go. You're all done. So I will see you guys later. Very quick tutorial. I hope you gain value. If you all are using the domain manager with GoDaddy, I will make a video on how to get a domain name with GoDaddy in a few, so you can see that also from start. Okay, so Until next time, until next video, I will see you guys later. You all be awesome. And I will talk to you on the other side. Don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the bell button. Bye-bye now.